Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Cellular data active and iOS is current because updates fix hotspot bugs. Next, open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot and flip it on. This broadcasts your iPhone 12 as a network. While you're there, create or confirm a secure Wi-Fi password so connecting devices authenticate properly. Once done, note the iPhone name shown. Your Mac or other phone will look for that SSID. This immediate setup gets you online fast and prevents simple connection failures. Now you connect. On the other device, select your iPhone SSID and type the password you set. This is the most reliable route. If Wi-Fi pairing fails, use Bluetooth or plug in via USB. Those methods bypass wireless interference. Make sure Personal Hotspot shows allow others to join. Additionally, enable maximize compatibility in the hotspot settings so older or 4 GHz only devices can attach. These steps address common mid-process issues like signal band mismatches. To finish, restart both the iPhone and the client. Reboots clear temporary glitches and reinitialize radio hardware. If problems persist, check for carrier settings update in Settings General because carriers sometimes push hotspot fixes. Also verify you haven't hit a data cap. If all else fails, reset network settings to clear corrupt configs, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. One quick troubleshooting tip. If a device won't join, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on again. This often forces a fresh handshake and restores connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.